How to convert any URL or web page into PDF. Let's go for a legit ride. This will be a very short and simple video where you'll learn how to download a website's page via URL directly into your computer or mobile device in PDF format, meant best for offline view. Let's get started. There is a link in the video description. Please click the first link to visit the site. I have copied the link, so I'll just paste it here in the search bar of my browser. This is the site. Here you'll have to enter the URL of the web page that you want to convert into PDF. You can do this by visiting the web page and simply copying the link address. I know my URL, so I'll just type it here. Now, if we click the option button, we see variety of features, but we need to get the license, which will cost some bucks. So we'll just carry on with the free version. And I think free version gives us more than enough for what we need. Okay. Now, let's click the Save as PDF button. Let's wait a little until the download pops up. Okay, so here is the download. Let's click download. Let's open and see. As you can see, the web page has been converted into PDF. The quality of the PDF is also very high. Hey. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and also if you want more legit related videos, then consider subscribing, and if you really enjoyed this video, then please share this video, it will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching.